Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. A very special. And guys, wherever you are, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where you're watching this vlog for today, guys. But in Africa here, it's early morning, and we thank God for the gift of life. And also I want to say thank you so much for clicking this video for today. And guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos to your family, share my videos to your brother and sisters. That is the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And today, guys, as you can see, it's a bright morning over here, and it's quite chilling. So today the weather is so calm. Wow, guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? But today it is what it is. And apart from the land, I've already finished everything, so I don't want to talk too much of the land. Maybe every day. So today I'm just around at home here. And that being said, my previous videos, not the latest videos, my previous videos on my neighbor calling me, and he was a young boy like me, but he got married, and he was a businessman. So he made the bricks, he burned, he sold, and then he just keep pushing his own life. So like we planned these things earlier because of the money. Me, the good thing about me, I can forget or remind earlier. So we are on the issues, or we are on the process. So technically we are on the process of making my mom bricks for the dream house. So that being said earlier, like I update my mom, so I bought the materials, so the money that I have, and so far so good. We thank God. And technically today I want to give you quick tour to my neighbor who make for my mama bricks for the dream house. And the cost of that bricks for 10,000 goes to around $400. So I'm trying to see, guys, whether I can manage. When it's possible, when it's not yet, I will leave it there, and then I shall see other means of way. But as we speak right now, that neighbor is making the bricks. So he make over 3,600 bricks. So we need 10,000 bricks. Because that being said, I can make my bricks around my home. I look for the owner or for the person who can make the bricks. But in terms of lack of water, so my neighbors have the borehole, and he used the own land to make for me bricks. So we agree, one bricks goes to 4 shillings. So we just decide to do 10,000 bricks for my mama dream house. So of which guys, through your support by watching my videos, by liking my videos, and I do appreciate. So you support me in other way, so I can make sure that my mom's material for the dream house are on the ground. So I learned these things when I was building my modern toilet. Actually, I built for my entire family. It's not my own toilet. I built for my entire family. So I learned something which are very special to me in terms of construction. So when you put all materials on the ground and everything's on the ground, you have the labor money. Man, try to imagine, I built the toilets from the foundation up to roofing within let me talk about, when you build the foundation, it's 2 days, and then put the concrete slab, and then which that slab can take 7 days to be in concrete enough. So I'll go and explain that one on my project. So it take long time, like 1 week, and then when I'm start setting of bricks or blocks, man, it took me 2 days, and like 2 days I finish everything up to roofing, plastering, and all stuff. Those are almost, let me say, 4 days. So I want to arrange some materials for my mama, for my mom dream house. And actually, guys, through your support, we're ready to move on. So guys, follow me the way I'm going. And my body feels so pain at my backbone, but I'm trying to shoot these videos. I don't want maybe to be idle like the whole day, but I'll quickly recover soon because it's so late. So right now I'm taking to my neighbors. So we have the small road inside here going like zigzag. So that being said, today it's on Monday, and I will show you how my neighbor makes for my mom bricks for the dream house. And actually, guys, this is a serious matter, not like clicking bait. I'm telling you guys, this is a serious matter. So in case, guys, for those $400, if you can support maybe a half of them, I can pay the money, and slowly until when I finish up. So I'm trying to make my mom to be feel good, to be on the next level, guys. So I'm just heading like this way, and then I meet the the Muram Road over there. So let's go. Wow, man, this is where I'm coming from this humble village, guys. As you can see, everything it's green, but I'm passing on that forest there. So let's go. Ooh. Guys, I feel so pain, even I can't walk fast. Imagine. Wow. So I'm just walking slowly until when I reach at my neighbors there. So let me show you. This is the maize corn over here, and it goes up to my where my modern toilet reach. Imagine from here, it's almost 1 hectare. So let's go. I can't walk faster. I'm walking slowly because my backbone, it's pain a lot. Wow, let's go and show you. But when I'm going deep and then going this way, to go to my neighbors. So guys, this is a serious matter right now. At the same time, I'm working on my tiles, so we almost finished tiling. So when I put like 2 toilets, some tiles, and then, guys, I'm trying to come to my mom's dream house, but it's good when I finish one after the other. But I see I'm almost to done on my mom, on my project, on my modern toilet technical. So if that, so let me show you. Heading this way, and this is how my neighbors, and actually the guy who make for me some bricks, this is our firstborn brother, but I'm heading down. Wow, wow, I hope I could get that man making bricks. Wow, it's green everywhere. Did you open answer hano kweli? Kya ukor? Cheki chama kumbat. Kwanta rasa peto fire. Sambo ikaringa ikinienda utinawo. Wenchana de hayo. Nentara gutira hayo. Katemi kemu kibinti birito. Ikokorogen re ukurara mbaka. Tukumone ngora nkogenda. Ona tete ngora agenda ora. Isuinare gi. Oh, so I see the owner. I see the owner here. So I want to ask him maybe today we got to make some bricks. Oh. We reach. Marango toka. Oh, they're planting here nipah grass, guys. Robi, tadi sima ontebi yangu ma. Me vamos yangu utage na ontiga ndaru Jumatatu. Iya.
Oh, mano na tintiga hivi.
Kwa mboga ndachi nyorimbe wateme tofari.
Mano na tintiga hivi.
Tora koroga matagitu.
Bado.
Ah.
Ono no tintiga hivi na ntoma bucha.
Oi.
Oyo ngona.
No ngurai.
Tadi miambi simu yao mwana. Mobali.
Yutu no kwa hicho ni mikinika.
Mikibido.
Wow.
Torai.
No, but I remember so sorry mo inan here now. I'm telling him to turn off the music. Wow. So this is the napier grass. This is how we plant the napier grass. So let me show you how they plant napier grass. Oh no, Rob.
Naratino wa tintiga hivi.
I don't go ni chama tafari ko keng.
Karanda ni kinini hivi.
Check.
Kambe ndi sambera ba.
Wee.
Ngorosel.
Manga wote meji munda wote bia ichuri. Ichontari na muberero hons.
Kaini kwa wate.
Sirali.
Ire ya kurevera.
Nta kulingu ni harami.
Sente umuke kurebera irenga. Okunga yatani.
Wow.
Imia tatu.
You can see how these trees are growing so big. We mana serious gari.
Wano mai mgumaje siya matani ai. Ono no tintiga hivi na tebia tankenge mitigere ge hara. Du seyo ni murusia. Mata taikira wasapo.
We. Tafarana matani ndana matani untebi.
Wana matani ni siora mahe kwa anda kewa.
There's some beautiful cows here. Arasi. Ndo ng'ombe ne boy. Ndo hiye boy. Eh. Okay, kiyo. Nene chinsiku. Hey, wow. This is where you milk the cow. Yeah? You take the cow and then come inside and then you milk on this stuff made here. If the cow are aggressive and stubborn, you put inside it. Wow. Look, another bull. They are chilling here. Enongu sukere. Ah. Have the goats here relaxing. Robbie, am I serious? Yarasi. Ero nerete me avante soki. Enongu sukere mo. Wow. You know the owner who makes some bricks? He's still around here. So I wonder why. Oh. Pono Robin, but then that's new keep up the matafari.
Kana ndate.
Teo no acho gonako.
Tawo.
Hey, tatia mara kwa sandu.
Tawate kuno kianda ge chumuti.
Pono go no mahalo no acho teme go hands. Mono papa nkira. Hey.
This is what we call what?
Hey.
An automatic.
Where this? Mungu moja moto ngo acho kuko kundikiri. Tayana matani. Ma goro kengere usugati go kengere na kono gwisiri hands. Watu kumanga sinkimuke. Tatu wacho saira matani. Tangu hetu yo bahane. Uninta ukimki tangu hetu. Ponda ndem ngeta mamara ko mugondo. Tangu hetu ro, mbu yandi this.
Look at Tom is coding, bro.
Sasa, ate kitoke ngumote
Ngoteni. Tango ba urusiri muruti. I swear go kenga hayo. Orangora ukundikini chindara oheme. Sindana atikirisi masukinyere cho. Wow, so the owner is cutting the trees there. That one. So let me show you that bricks. Aras, robinich. So guys, Maro tapahanu rusiri urute. Here you go. Oh, guys. So let's go. I'm trying to show you the bricks for my mom for a dream house. But today the owner is cutting some trees down. So maybe he'll make maybe late because his own job, and we try to see what we can do for the best for my mom. You know what, guys? Trees are falling down. So let me show you that trees, that bricks. So guys, I need your advice. So between this, you know, like soon construction will be starting on over there. So between this and technically these blocks, one goes to 80 bob, around almost to $1. And when I bought it like 2,000, I must struggle like a year to get 1,000 USD to purchase this, which are very, very expensive. And for $400, which is bricks, I can purchase 10,000. So let me show you. Come with me. If you live on this, or if you choose on this, let me know. And if on the side of bricks, let me know. Wow. Here. Oh. Here, guys. This is my this is another project for my mom. The reason why we tried to make for my neighbor here, we didn't have water at home, or we didn't have enough water. So technically I'm decide to talk with my neighbor to use this one here. And also, guys, please guys, I need your full support. To have $400, I can pay him, so the rest of the bricks are inside here. So let me show you. There's a motorbike. Wow.
You know that one of the safari is
I'm telling him to turn. So you can see, guys, this is my mom's bricks. That it's not like a clickbait, guys. Please, this is my project, and I'm trying to see how I can maybe pay maybe even $50 for starting, guys. Please. So he needs $400 to make for me 10,000 bricks. And also I really appreciate, guys, for your full support. This one and the 10,000 bricks will be coming from there up to the iron sheet, up to this point, even up to here. So maybe this whole house will be full of bricks. So the owner is here. Actually, he was cutting trees up there.
Yes, guys.
Yes, pause the music. Bana hujatengeneza matofali.
Sio uwanja umejaa.
Oh, unasubiria kauke. Sungeipigia huko. Upige ukiweka huko.
Sasa kava ndio shida. Yeah.
So I'm asking him why today don't you make the bricks. He said the field is too small, so he make, and then when this one dried, he delivered to the house and then he make for the next. Lakini kiboto tuere
Yeah.
next har. Nagachere mahano gotem.
Oh.
Guys, $400 to go for 10,000 bricks. And actually, guys, these are not a cricket bit. Why not serious? Wewe nguri chinku ni goteme ni go sambuguri.
Iga chiru ni nchi kengere nchitore ho ending cyane mura. Siga ni gansambe nguri.
Kitate ucho sambere tofari.
Nta sambe.
Nguturandi ogete biho migatoro. Era kimu bagotora ko pick up era ya. Era paro hano. Era paro hano. Apande barapanga.
Ni sawa.
10,000.
Kana mau ni hari kahikiriwe.
Kwani 10,000 ano ntoro kuma 10,000 arenga ambo takupa. Because I'm telling him when you want to know 10,000, yeah?
And almost 4,000.
4,000.
Yeah.
So 3,000.
And 4.
So you have 6,000 to go.
Kana ginyana gatara banga arenga 1,000.
Ko ipo kara wapara. Kara na irenga sai.
Kara ngi 2,300.
2,300.
Plus 1,000 yoni 3,200.
200.
Ano watu wengi diga wakaringi.
Kara ni irenga.
Wangaringi around 500.
500.
Yeah.
Guys, imagine that's all bricks 500. Takora. Tatano finance serious. That's it. Yani kana woni wakateme ke karemo no ge homigaturo. Ha ngote robi. Igari ngi karabango garaye.
Uwata nuli chanko ruki method ya kubaro sinia toka barisasi ko confirm na yango.
Bara tu ai.
Chonko ruki metoko bara.
Yes, you want to show me other. Oh.
Sasa. Bara matafari gano.
Tabaru gotuma.
Sasa tunahesabu line moja hivi. Tunaona tunachukua roughly hapo tunahesabu 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 160 161 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Umepata hapo?
Yes, that's 36.
36 times the number yenye itakuwa imeenda chini. Times the number yenye itakuwa imeenda huko. So hii ni 36 times number yenye imeenda hivi. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 times 14.
Okay, so just a minute, guys. We done a systematic mathematics here. So just a minute. Oh, calculate. You said 36 times 14.
Yeah, times 15. I mean.
Times 15.
Times
That is 540.
540. Times the horizontal multiplication 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times 12.
Times 12.
Yeah.
My friend, umeanguka. Yeti ni 6,000 yako hapo. So si ndo 36 times 15
times 15
times 12.
Yeah.
You get 6,408. Come on. So maybe you divide by 3. Mango kan. Say
36 times 15 times
12.
times 12.
6,408.
Yes.
Etiga one fusit. Teroho he. Maybe let's say it's 3,000. You make 7,000, maybe 10,000. This house, my friend, will be full of bricks. 10,000. Matafai kuminga rechore mono. Kuya nyuma kora. Leo haranga atero. Kumaranga. Wata tema matafari serious.
Matafari wenga tayari already ngagara nimeshaanza prasiga yu.
Aba watanze kunchonere sokera magano ke isiri. Magano hono garatsika he. Ile sara ke nango sasa sokera nkorekero marate.
20 yango sandre ka.
Gonzande sontene.
Ntiango temere kara.
Ai.
Sasa koliga
Kano ke home.
Ichono achucho wimikigara. Sample ya 100 tem.
Ngongo tuna. Kwa hivyo kana tuko ya 3,000 kutoka ngari kata 1,000 na 500. Usina 700.
Ya toko ile 4,000.
Toko ile 4,000. Sasa 6,000 kapegara. Ono anyengire. Arenga.
Kwangiri kama matafari 500.
Sawa, gikona 1500. Serious, ndairi hata nangi guturipiga icho harebe hike nkore ba mazenti.
Wa matafari watachwimi kiwo matafari ndakwatemerega ichore furu.
Watatema mumango kwaso gusoma.
Kanubuya niga ngalia garaparwa orandikirisa bureo.
Ninyonika ni pick up. Ninyonika hano namanyiga pick up narengi kwimuke gusitinga. Sinitinga turere.
Akibona hati tinga bado sawa. Imani tinga na remiki 1000. Hani gucha tiripu 10. Omanyiga matafari ga gasuhiri matafari ifunga 10,000. Mana shiri niga kunini itinga remiki matafari 1,000.
Hano gara
wate uni teme hano gara itere buhare 10,000 sera na 500 hogufongera kandi wagagutigara bado na gana
sawa nambe ni muri gavanga
kana shida tawa ai wasa no ashuchu imike sampo kana gutu andeka kamukerero
gara kamuka
ngakom ane ni style ngo komenda gabanga hamu ngara hani chance yende kuri gabe hatuba gukundikirira kata sirinda no gute nike me hano bono kana ngakundikira makabo
imukia makanura hira hano
kajuiga ndagakomega ringe kuyahara kyanko mufano.
Okay guys, we try to talk about talking about the issue when it's dry and enough you squeeze to give an empty field for
muturu kama kaniga tukuma no gaimiri sasigo sasa no achu yongara kali
yo kama no letekere
yo ndiratirwo
mo
asa kama rini
ngo tekere ngo temu sasa
ni gana ruremo na kwa bending sasa no tirire nge kokana
one is cracking guys, you can see it. Sorry guys, so I can't bend because my backbone is a lot of pain. Na maruki mu hobari tere remerete ke homo te sense ke na
nda ga tiga kara kumoke hai the more that you inga kumireke hayu space na achitiga kuya
so the more he arrange the space will remaining there, so by tomorrow he'll make the bricks. So these are serious matter guys.
Asanke hayu the more to kotora achitoka chan toka kumehamu space na achitiga ha hara ya kotema sasa then icho ira yosiri ni crack rio nkurcho kiborenge kuro.
Okay, so let me show the borehole for the next time guys, because the borehole is here full of water and he was so blessed to have the borehole and making the bricks. Oh, you can see even this one, it's burnt. Ikibaki no the same nake wamba sasa ndatura ta kuhinya ige kene hiki
sasa no tigiri no hanore
obikibaki tikirenge na kera
kino tukumane keke
mukyore ngani hatuma tumesh edit kan asune mbire ngeni roach songe urmos to kuma kibani the same ngabeno kutumira
ne keke kidogo tukuma itafari ne ringe ne yangani
hai wankuma he renji tukuma ngare ngeni
kunini hige size yo mbire ngini lakini sasa tofauti ne
tofauti tamu wadante kipa nkyo kutumira kana nkiroji utagonte mekenen
temi ke weki go bene garinge zampu yindi sasa yo ndino lihiye
labda wihinyero ntatser kunyuto hinyo murekera kamera
he sasa ndo tukuma TV sasa no ndino lihiye na ndara.
Imagine guys, these we have already burnt. This one here, this one not yet. So you can see the difference. Okay. Sawa. Akini bohene to korbohene ke baonkyo the same munkyo. Kyonko kote mora guri. Kiyo?
Kibi bao vyo mahiga ya kibirenge. Ya tinko nyumba ha.
Wow, so you want to show me those stuff for making the blocks. We have the big, small. Like, oh, look the banana. Wow, he was really trying to work so hard, guys. At least to have a good family. Man, look the house over there. You see? Ora na makubera ra waturikuru anyuma.
Ega igara nini homo. Igara nini homo. That's all different ne. Kena ne ko kena. Okay.
Kena onke.
Kinene kidogo gukira kino.
Aya, no gambika kira geisuko kira wasambire ne kende hokire. Semo te kino nkyo gotumira gotema. Mahake. Kino tukyo gotema sa.
Gara ga hiye ngino. Kyo gotema ngino.
Obo hen. Paro kyo, Nairobi. Tukoma te.
Ekita gambika so byonsu sawa birenga.
Tukoma kugotori, kuma kibo kino nkarege kai nyumba. Sawa, ndoche. Akine uona nagoyo. Eona nagoyo. Wateme gara.
Wewe
noe. Haya ndache ni chema hune kibao hicho. Akini utatema kayo ke software wen. So guys, he works so hard to build a house like this. Imagine. Wait.
Just give money lengo pale pateni.
200.
Pateni uskuru gim. Asa ya masafira.
Uskuru gima. Ekero tatore merango.
Ola masenti kama.
Ambayo no ninchi hano age afo no gotemi roofing gotemera ya bongo. Igoro. Akiro ateme gichinda chino no rasari nyumba. Inyumba ni nchira so yimukiribu mutindo gora obongo. So I'm telling him when you want to do some roofing, he choose for Tanzanian roofing, guys. Going up. Wow. So thank you so much. We shall meet on the next videos. And maybe it's depending when I'm going back home, guys. Stay tuned. Bricks here. And I will fetch water here, guys. You see the borehole. Mukere! Uburandi, baba. Manga kena manti.
Kena bombe.
They're full of water here, guys. Kaya utama kibri karonekana. It's full of water and it's clean, guys. I'm telling you. Wow, guys, look. It's clean soap, and here maybe when water fall inside here, it run. So by tomorrow, he will make bricks here. I hope you see the huge progress from my mom. And technically, it's $400 to make 10,000 bricks. And I'm ready to go, guys. For your full support, I really appreciate, and I want to say thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. And I had a call. One of my neighbor, also he was working on far away from my village, from abroad, and technically he was working Qatar. Wow! So I'm going to meet with him, and then we shall see. Wow! You see, maybe today it wanna rain earlier. Well, guys, so I want to end my video, guys. Oh, this is my puppy. Look, guys, it looks so beautiful. It's the puppy. Wow, guys, so that's my puppy, and also it's friendly. Wow, we have the tank here, and also there is it, guys. So it's follow me. Look. Oh. Yeah. Wow. So guys, I was coming from my neighbor. Actually, he was making for me some bricks, guys. So I want to say thank you so much. Thank you a million. And guys, through your support, I can make it to build my mom's dream house. And that being said, I think this week there is some remaining tiles I supposed to put because of my mason. He was working somewhere else, so I keep waiting him until when he was coming back, so I will continue back to my project. So imagine, so this one I want to finish earlier, and then I'll take you to my mom's dream house. So like I was visiting my brother over there, so he was making bricks, but I found him cutting some trees. So I will show you, that's my mom's project, my big project ever. So dream come to reality, and I want to put some material on the ground. So I learned something new on my project here. So the moment I have everything on the ground, steel bar, sand, stones, blocks, bricks, iron sheet, man, this toilet run like crazy. But it's tried to teach me how to learn in terms of construction and all stuff. Like, man, this is a huge progress. And when I built my mama dream house, 3-bedroom on other side, I used this small ramp to compact on the floor, and then we put the concrete on the ground. So that is it, guys. Through your support, I can manage it, guys. And I have another sand over here. So I keep some sand here, or some resources. So after finishing the issues of tiling and all stuff, I'll come back to my mom dream house, which is keep pushing me every day. So the reason why I burnt the bricks at my neighbors over there, or to make the bricks, that being said, we didn't have enough water in this compound. So technically we try to negotiate the price for making bricks and all stuff. So when the time reach, my work is to deliver the bricks and then to make that bricks here. So this house will be demolished soon, guys. Through your support, I really appreciate. And man, are you ready? Maybe Hello Baby to build her mom dream house, guys, here. So dream come to reality. And for me, when I get a small amount of money, 100% I spend on construction. Like when I see what is missing at my home, I just renovate, I just do this, I just do that, like that, and then life continue. So I want to transform my mom life to the next maybe level, from this level to the next level. But I'm so grateful to be born and raised on this beautiful family that you see here. I thank God for the far of this moment. So come along with me. I want to show you another material, although I have used that material maybe in terms of constructing my toilet. Oh man, do you remember this is a small mushroom over here? Look, it's growing everywhere. Maybe by tomorrow I will show you early in the morning, guys. Today you watch this place. Look, by tomorrow morning I will show you. This is a mushroom. When you cook, it tastes like sardines, man. Wow. So that's my beautiful home over there. That's my grandma, and of which I will put that house over there. And we thank God, man. We thank God for the blessing, God bless us. Thank you so much. And also thank you so much for my people who are watching my videos. Through your support by watching my videos, I can manage to do something else, you know. So by viewing my video, and also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your time. Kindly guys, subscribe, comment, and also share my videos to your family, share my videos to your sister and brothers, so they can support Hello Baby here by watching these videos. So this is the material, guys, and you can see the hardcore for the ground. It's just over here. When I have like let me say 5 tippers more than one this, when I have 5 more, I'm ready to go. And the sand 1 tipper, when I add here, I'm ready to go. So man, I thank God. And let me check, there's some bricks here. I want to build a walkway to my toilet, but not right now. So I want to finish one thing at a time. And I'm also appreciate my brother for the work that he made before he left joining to school. So he made these bricks and I pay him money, and actually that's my bricks, and also I use in terms of construction over here. Wow. So man, wow, I feel so happy, guys. When I wake up in the morning, I see the huge progress, the huge transformation. I say, God, thank you for the gift of life. God, thank you for everything that you've done for me. And I want to say, guys, I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect in this world, but I'm trying to perform my duty. I'm trying to do the part which I can do. So for the rest, I left God to done for me, and I'm just believing God. One day my dream will come to reality. So that is it, and this is my grandma home here. Sometime I greet her when I was around at home here. Wow, maybe on camera or off camera, guys, it depends. Wow. Coco, more. Kyokora. Always, you know here, like you must bend. Wow. It's in new quick. Oh. Yeah. Hi. Oh, guys, he was cooking. He was preparing some veggies. You know, the elderly people, they must prepare themselves. Maybe that's veggies that prepare inside there. It's for evening. Imagine that's the that's the supper that she prepare inside there right now, and it's noon time here. So guys, I feel like, oh, that's my hair, guys. Look, that's my hairstyle, and wow, I'm ready to go. So let me end these videos at home, so we shall see the rest, what we can do. And man, for me, I'm so grateful to be born on this beautiful village that you see here, guys. You see that view? Look, everywhere, right, left, center, it's green, man, green. I'm telling you, everywhere it's green. Everywhere it's green. And guys, are you ready for this? Wow. So we want to make my mom to be proud, and guys, kindly motivate people, young people like me. If you have your both parent there or single parent, just make him or her to be proud of himself or themselves. You know, that is how it is. So I'm just like I'm fruit, and my mom enjoy my fruit, enjoy my success, which is coming maybe less than 2 years. But for now, I'm so grateful, man. I'm so grateful. Wow. Oh, chicken. This is a chicken. Imagine I'm trying to transform the bathroom like this way to the modern one. So dream come to reality. Man, imagine from this one, this is a bathroom, to a modern. Wow. So that's my grandma home, that where I was coming from. That's my grandma home. That's my grandma home. That's my dad's home, and I'm recognized to be the firstborn on my dad's home. Wow, thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you so much, guys. I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much. You heard the noise for the birds, means more blessings coming, guys. Thank you so much. May God bless you. And my baby is over there, and also maybe tomorrow or next day more videos coming, and be tuned and share these videos. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about today's vlog, guys. I want to say bye bye, guys. I love you from my bottom of my heart, guys. You made it possible. You made it my dream to come to reality, and may God bless you, guys. Bye.